Hey guys, RowdyDawg here. I wanted to show you these cool new products from Paws. Very cool. What these are wipe gloves to clean up your dog with. And these are lick proof, they're lick safe, I'll say. They're coconut scented. And what you do is you just wipe your animal down. You can do it using on dogs or cats, but they're kind of a moistened, like a towelette, but they have a nice coconut scent to them. And what you do is you can open this up and use it like a wet wipe. So you just pull them right out of there, and you got you a glove to wipe your pet down. If they smell a little bit or a little bit stinky or whatever, you can put this on your hand. I've already used this one. You can see I got a little bit of dirt on there from where it's a kind of in between washes. You could use these because they're pretty moist. I mean, they're pretty moist. They've got quite a bit of coconut scent and a little bit of fragrance in them and a little bit of cleanup stuff to clean your dog up. Very neat product. It's plant-based, it's lick safe, it's rinse-free. You just use these and pet your dog like you would normally pet them, or your cat, and it will clean them up and give them a nice fresh scent. Pretty neat product, guys. I'll show you me using one here in a minute. See, they don't mind it at all. You can clean their ears up with it. You can pet them and get all the dirt off of them. And they gives them a nice clean scent. It's kind of in between washes. You can use this on them. There's old Bean right there. Let's go do old Buzzer. Here's old Buzzer. Old Buzzer is kind of a scaredy cat. But we'll do him. Come here, old Buzzer. See, you can just wipe it on just like you would be petting them. And they don't mind it at all. You can get their ears clean really good. You can run all the way down their skin and just clean them up and give them a nice, refreshing little glove bath kind of thing. This is great between washes, between bathings. You can use this. Very cool. Anyway, guys, neat product. Something to use on the go, something to do in between washes. Oh, here's old Bobo. Let's do him. Hey, Bo. What you doing there, buddy? Old Bobo here's got an ear infection. He's fixing to go to the vet. And here's old Baby. Hi, Baby. You can just wash them up. You know, our dogs, their ears tend to get pretty nasty. So this would be good to clean their ears with. Really good to get into their ears if you needed to. And they don't mind it at all. That's a good girl, Baby. Good girl. Good girl. All right, well, there we go, guys. Neat product. Y'all have a good one.